Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here with the Faery Wheel Tarot. This is a new deck by Lisa Robertson and the art is by Emily Fegenshoe. I hope I haven't said that too badly. It's a flip top cover with a little magnetic there. This deck says, savour your journey through the seasons with fairies guiding each step. This splendid tarot introduces you to the many magical creatures of fairy and encourages you to connect with nature through seasonal energy. From the high fae of the major arcana to the will-o-wisps, which is the swords, the sprites, which is the cups, dragon fae, which is wands, and gnomes, which is pentacles, of the minor arcana. These mystical beings are eager to join your adventure through the wheel of the year. This kit will answer your questions, illuminate hidden truths, and offer solutions to both everyday dilemmas and futures still unfolding. So it is produced by US Games. No, it's not. Llewellyn. I do beg your pardon, I knew it was one of the big guys. So Llewellyn deck. And we have a little booklet that comes with it. That's the artist. The artist is there and the author is there. So this is the artist, and she talks about how she was invited to Lisa's fairy world, but in the form of an email from Barbara Moore. And then Lisa explains how the whole experience, the fae came to life in stunning artwork. The process of immortalizing them was slow and intentional. From the illustrations to the writing of this guidebook, the fae moved us on their time. Deadlines shifted constantly, and yet in 2025 it all came together whole, complete and ready. So welcome to Fairy. Then you will have the Fairy Portal, tarot spreads, so she's got some samples of spreads there, and then the cards. Okay, so you've got the majors, and interestingly you've got the upright and the reversed for each of them. You can see the oracle, so she's changed a few names. Obviously this is a high priestess and she's quite fittingly been changed to the oracle. So you go right the way through the deck and there they are. All the cards are in there. And a final note. Oh, I like this. While our time together has come to an end, your journey with the fae is just beginning. You have entered the fairy portal and used your cards to communicate with the fae. You may even started to form bonds with one or two of the fairies inside this deck. Needless to say, you are closer to fairy than you were before, but there is so much more to learn. So let this be the tool that launches you into a lifelong adventure with the fae. Continue to expand your connection between your world and the fairy realm. Deepen your intuition and enjoy all that is unfolding before you. Until we meet again, Lisa. Lovely. Right, let's have a look. Now, as I always say, speed me up, slow me down. It's entirely up to you. You are in charge of this car. There is like, the cards are good quality, as you can see from the thickness. They are borderless. I love borderless cards. And they have a linen texture. I don't know if you can actually see that here. It's like a linen. It's the best way to describe it, like a linen texture. But they're still smooth. Okay, so we have the Fool. Patience. Oh, that's a good devil card, isn't it? Look at all these goodies I can tempt you away from your path with. And then we have Wands. So the Fire Realm. And the action realm. So it's what you do on a day. So here we've got the apprentice, which is the page, the knight, and the fairy godmother. The queen has been replaced by fairy godmother. And you still have king. So then we've got cups. Lovely eyes. Swords, so our thoughts. I love that they're Rider-Waite based as well. It just makes it easy to transfer your skills between decks. Okay, and then we have the Pentacles, which is our finances and our material realm. Oh, don't cast me out in the cold. I could spend a long time looking at this deck, but for the sake of your sanity and your curiosity, I've zipped through it. And as I said, you can go back through it. You are in charge. Okay, so that is the Faery Wheel Tarot by Lisa Robertson. Okay, and illustrated by Emily. I daren't say her name again. Thank you very much for your time. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye-bye.